With the Mazda 6e app, you can stay connected to your Mazda 6e wherever you are. Here, you can check the battery level, set charging times, precondition the cabin, and even remotely lock or unlock the doors. The Bluetooth key also allows you to open and close the windows, the lift gate, and use the Find My Car function as found on the physical key. You can also share the Bluetooth key with up to 3 other users as long as they have the Mazda 6e app and an email address. When selecting the temp tile, as well as setting your Mazda 6e's cabin temperature, you can also switch on or off the front windscreen defroster. Also in this menu, you can select the Seat tab and turn on the steering wheel heater, the passenger or driver's ventilated or heated seats, as well as turn everything off. Pressing the battery tile opens the battery settings screen where you can see the current state of charge, charge status and the range. Here you can schedule a start and end time to take advantage of any lower electricity tariffs which might be available. During charging, the remaining charge time is shown and the image becomes animated. You can also schedule battery preheating to occur ahead of any planned journey.